United Nations Organization, UNO. After the end of the Great Second World War, the Allied countries like USSR, Britain, France, USA and China came up with the plan for the formation of the United Nations Organization to make sure that no such war would take place in the future. UNO also protects human rights, democracy, elimination of poverty and hunger for people all over the world. Therefore, on the 24th of October, 1945, UNO entered into force with two main objectives: assuring long-lasting peace, human development. Apart from these objectives, it promised that it would not interfere with the internal affairs of the country until it causes any threat to peace of the world. The UNO started with a membership of 51 countries, but as the small countries became free from the colonial power, now there are membership with 193 countries by 2016. The UNO works with 6 different organs, each specifying the unique functions. The functions are as follows: maintaining peace and security, improving education and health facilities, alleviating poverty, providing justice in context of international crimes, and so on. Following are some organizations which are responsible for these functions: International Court of Justice in Hague, the World Health Organization of Geneva, United Nations Children's Fund in New York, the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization in Paris.